Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the ringtone setting for one of your contacts on your iPhone. To start, please turn your iPhone on. Find the phone app all the way on the bottom left and enter it. Make sure that the Contacts tab is the selected tab. Then tap exactly on the contact that you want to change the ringtone for. Here we can see we're in the contact A3 and we're going to edit that contact by tapping Edit in the top right. Now we're going to scroll down where we see the ringtone and the text tone are both selected at the default, and we want to change that. So we'll tap on the default. And as you see, we can scroll down and change it to any of these ringtones. If that sounds good to you, you can press done and be finished. Otherwise, you can scroll through the list and select another one. You notice that each one plays you a demo. So we're going to press done and stick with crystals. And now you see that the ringtone for A3 has been changed to crystals. Although it hasn't actually been saved until we hit done in the top right. But before we do that, we can also change the text tone instead of just the ringtone. So we've now changed the text tone to bamboo and the sound to crystals. Now we'll tap done in the top right corner. And as you can see, when we're viewing the contact, it confirms that our ringtone is crystals and our text tone is bamboo. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.